After a glorious evening at Saintonge watching the sunset, we had rain overnight, packed up early and hit the road. We had breakfast, it was that good, and then carried on into the first sights of the vineyards around Cognac and Saintonge. They went on for miles. We chatted, we enjoyed the ride. The tarmac was so smooth. And with these views, it was glorious. We stopped for second coffee in this beautiful town and then carried on through sunflowers, some dead, some not. It really was the most beautiful day on the bikes. We stopped in a beautiful village by the church for lunch, got a bit worried about the weather, bought some supper and cycled through to this beautiful place called Saint-Simon where we thought we were staying. But we weren't. We were staying here that we'd cycled through 6 kilometres earlier. So we turned round, went back and had a wonderful day on 2 wheels. Hopefully the rain won't be as bad as predicted tonight, but we're warm, we're dry and we'll be back again tomorrow.